back to my channel. It's your girl Whitney here, and today's video I really want to show you guys my 30 rupees when converted to dollar is 50 cents eyebrow routine. Now on a normal day I would usually gravitate towards my LA Girl product, which looks like this, but clearly your girl has run out. The entire country is on a lockdown because of coronavirus, and I went back to my makeup stash and I found an oldie but a goodie, and this is a brow product that I used a lot back in the day, and to be honest I really don't know why I stopped using this because it's so buttery, it's creamy, it works, and I got this from my local beauty supply store, which I'm pretty sure you will find anywhere. So I really wanted to create this video for you guys using a very cheap alternative of a brow product, because I know not everybody can afford an 850 rupees brow product or even a 2000 rupee brow product. It's really expensive. I know most of you guys are still college going students or still in school rather. So I really wanted to create this really cheap, affordable method whereby you guys can still snatch your brows without breaking your back. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to go from this to this using a 30 rupee eyebrow product. So if you're interested in this kind of video, then let's jump straight into it. So the first thing I like to do is brush my brows up. That way I would know the exact shape that I need to take. I just like to brush everything in. Now that I have this shape, I'm going in with this brow, and I'm going to start off with my top line. So when I start off, I never start from here. I always start from like here. Mainly because over here, I have very sparse brows. So if I fill it in from here, it'll just look like a box shape, and I'm trying to go for something that's very natural. So I'm going to take that in, and I'm doing really light strokes. I'm not drawing one straight line, I'm just taking it and doing light strokes. And then I'm taking that curve down. So that's the top layer. I still have to fill that in. But before I do that, let me go towards the bottom. Same thing with the bottom. I never start from here. I always start from a little bit behind. Tiny strokes. And I join these two lines together, like so. So now that I have an upper line and a lower line, I'm going to go in and fill them in. So as I'm filling them in, I'm trying not to add a lot of pressure to the pencil point because I really want a little bit of product, and you guys will see why later. So I'm just filling that in really lightly. I'm not pressing my pencil at all. I'm just filling that in. So over here, I tend to have little to no hair, especially towards this area right here. So over here, I'm gonna try to fill it in as much as possible so that it doesn't just look like space. And now what I like to do is go in with my spoolie and right over here, brush this lower line, just brush it up. Do you guys see that? So I'm going to do the same exact thing on this brow. I'm going to brush it up. and do the same exact thing. So now that I have my second brow on, these are how my brows look like together. I certainly do not consider them as twins, but more of sisters. Now I'm gonna go in and clean out my brows using a concealer that's literally 2 shades lighter than my natural skin tone, because the days of cleaning out your brows with a shade that's 10 shades lighter than your skin tone are long over. Now, I usually never ever clean out the top of my brow, but I like to clean out this area because it makes the wing look snatched. And voila, this is the finished look. I really hope that this tutorial was as easy as I hoped for it to be. In case you guys like this video, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. That way I know that you'll like it and I'll create more videos like this in future. Down below, what are your thoughts on this look? Whether you found it easy or hard. If you guys found it hard, then I'll definitely make another in-depth tutorial that's more easier than this one. But yeah, do make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also click on that bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. This is every Monday and Friday. And in case you guys want to see more beauty tutorials from me, then I do have an entire playlist right there. And in case you guys want to see more travel and lifestyle, I do have an entire playlist right there as well. So why don't you go click on either of those playlists, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.